So we're looking at 16 and 17 from the Congruent Figures homework. Create a polygon, a congruent polygon for each graph by completing the figure. Label the new vertex. So we need quadrilateral ABCD to be congruent to quadrilateral PQST. So we're looking at 16 first. The good thing on 16 is they did a transformation, but all they did was a slide. They just slid the figure kind of like what, up 2 over 2 or something really easy. So what we can do is we know we are missing T. And we know that PT is going to be congruent to AD because it's listed first and last, first and last. Well, AD is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. AD is 10 units long, so PT needs to be 10 units long. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What's nice is that it was horizontal, and so we didn't have to do anything fancy. We didn't even have to use slope. All we had to do was count to the right 10 places. So they made that one easy on us because it was horizontal. All right, 17. LMJK is congruent to XWYZ. This one has been at least flipped. Let's see, do these go together? ML and XW. ML, oh good. So if you notice, all that happened was this one got flipped. This one got reflected. So that's going to make our job a little bit easier. What I can do is I can count the slope from L to K. And then I can mimic that slope, but just go backwards to get from X to our missing one, which is Z. I hope that makes sense. So from L to K, I go down 1, 2, 3, 4. And I go right 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I went down 4, right 5. I'm going to do the same thing, but I'm going to go the opposite way. I'm going to go down 4 and then left 5 from X. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these ended up being overlapping shapes. And I got to my missing vertice by using slope and making it mimic the same slope as the figure that was already done for me. Okay, it looks like we're doing 18 as well. So what happened on 18? Let's see. So let's take a look at what we're missing on 18. We've got RUV, but we don't have F. We're missing F. We need to find out where F goes. Now, which letter does F go with? It's listed second, and G is listed second. Oh. So what I need is kind of a reference point. What I can do, for example, is I know G is the one that it matches with. Well, I like to count straight up and down or straight left, right. I don't like to have to do a slanted slope. So I noticed from E to G, I can count that. EG is the first one and the second one. R and F is the first one, the second one. Woo! That's easy. So if I can count from E to G, I'll do the same thing to get from R to F. So how far is it from E to G? I'm counting 12. E, G, E equals is 12. So now I can just count over 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then I connect my dots. So I could have gone from V to F instead of from R to F, but then I would have to have a slope and be counting slanted, and I really like to work vertically or horizontally. Alrighty.